चक्षुर्मिदं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय कलिकावैतलावे कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय भक्ताय श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद राधा स्वासति श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आज एकादशी तिथि है। एकादशी के बारे में हम समझ चर्चा करेंगे। एकादशी के बारे में कुछ हम लोग चर्चा भी करेंगे। एकादश इंद्रियों की हम कैसे दमन करके और भगवान के भजन करें। 5 कर्मेंद्रिय और 5 ज्ञानेंद्रिय और मन, ये एकादश इंद्रिय। इस प्रकार अम्बरीश महाराज अपने सारे इंद्रियों की जो है भगवत सेवा में बड़ी मंदिर मार्गी नाम है। अम्बरीश महाराज ससागरा पृथ्वी के राजा थे।
So today is another Ekadashi, so we are going to hear the glories of Ekadashi here by the Mukharvind of Srila Gurudev. Because so if somebody in this world engage himself in the sense gratification, so it's really hard to raise up from these sense gratifications. But Amrish Maharaj, he was the king of whole world. Today, whatever the map we are seeing today, map. Amrish Maharaj. So the whole working was Amrish Maharaj. So how he ruled over all the great this world.
आज भी इतने विशाल जो पृथ्वी कितने देश कितने लोग और नाजरी कितने प्रशासक भी है किंतु उस समय श्रीमद् भागवत में आज
So at the time, who was the whole king of this world? Amrish Maharaj. He was the king of whole world. So the question arises here. So how he used to rule over the world and how he performed bhajan sadhan as well as both things. So if there is a festival of 1 day or 2 days in our here, so we leave the name. We cannot complete our rounds, because we are so much engaged or busy in the works of preparation for the festival. But Amrish Maharaj, how he was ruling over the world, so how he was handling or tackling all the things. Amrish Maharaj was a king, but still he was renounced. He was detached from all the things. He has given all the workload to the ministers.
सबको देख करके वो एकांत निश्चिंत होकर के सारी इंद्रियां जो है तो को पद्म नाच के जिहाद पे चला है और बात पाने वाली पंच कर्मेंद्रिय, पंच ज्ञानेंद्रिय और मन,
Ekadash Indriya. In the 11th in senses, he has engaged the senses to the service of Bhagwan.
बच्चों का भी जैसे इंटरेस्ट है उसके उसी कार्य में लगा दो, आपके भजन करो।
हमारी उनकी पत्नी जो थी वो भी साथी करती थी इनकी सेवा।
उनकी सेवा में करती थी।
So her wife was also so much, she was helping in bhajan and sadhan to him.
पत्नी वो है जो पत्नी पतिदेव के जो है।
So the wife who helps in the bhajan of his husband, so she is the wife actually.
तो अम्बरीश महाराज,
So Amrish Maharaj,
एकादश इंद्रियों पे
by his 11 senses, he was busy in the service of Lord.
स्मॉल रेड कवर दिया अभी नहीं।
Aiko.
कि पारू हरे क्षेत्रनु करता है। अम्बरीश महाराज अपने चरण की जो पैर की जो है भगवान की जो लीला भूमि जो है वहीं पर प्रयोग करते हैं, धाम परिक्रमा करते हैं।
So he uses his feet for the parikrama of Bhagwan's temples and dham pilgrimage.
अम्बरीश महाराज क्या करते हैं?
Amrish Maharaj, what he used to do,
भगवान की विग्रह की सेवा।
so by his hand he used to serve the Vigraha of Bhagwan.
क्योंकि अम्बरीश महाराज का
Because Amrish Maharaj on the day of Ekadashi,
एकादश
so on the day of Ekadashi, Ekadash means 11, so with 11 senses he was serving to Krishna. Jai Ho. So beautiful shloka is this. Very good. Vijay Prabhu ki jai. So gradually the corona is increasing or our memory is decreasing. So ones who are 60 plus, so their memory is getting less, increasing, decreasing. Yes, I said the same word. Why are you saying decreasing? And so this is very beautiful shlokas. और किसी को याद है? Anybody knows this shloka except Vijay Prabhu? Oh, this Prabhu also and that Prabhu also. Me? Yes, I know all the shloka, but I don't elaborate myself. I know every shloka. I am actually myself the shloka Kantahar. I'm Gaudiya Kantahar. I am myself. Savema Krishna So the Mataji has come for giving donation. ये बात. So Amrish Maharaj, how he is engaging his mind into the feet of Bhagwan. Tave mana Krishna padar vinde.
वर्णन है अपने जिहाद में गए जैसे ना भगवान की कथा में नियुक्त करते
So how he is engaging his tongue into the service in the Katha of Bhagwan.
और करो बड़ी मंदिर मार्जन
So by his hand he is cleaning the temple of Bhagwan.
श्री हरि के मंदिर मार्जन में लगाए सब करने के लिए राजा होकर के झाड़ू देते
So being a king, he was cleaning the temples. Is it possible? So at the time of Jagannath Ji Rath Yatra, the king is sweeping. So they are just doing the formalities. Yes, have you seen? Maybe you have to when you have been to the Jagannath Rath Yatra. So when Rath Yatra is going to start, so the king used to sweep all the roads. So who sweep from the golden broom
तो अम्बरीश महाराज
broomstick?
मंदिर में
But Amrish Maharaj in his temple daily he used to sweep the temple.
अपने आप में
So he was cleaning the temple by his hand. Being a king, being a bald king, he was doing all this thing himself.
छोटी चकरा अच्युत सत्पथोदय अपने दोनों प्राणों के जो है
So
भगवान अच्युत की कथा में अमृतमय कथा में जो है
So by his ear, both ear, he was hearing the Harikatha of Bhagwan, Achyut.
मुकुंद लिंगालय दर्शन दृश्यो अहो अपने जो है आंखों के जो है
So by his eyes, he was taking the Shri Vigrah darshan of Bhagwan. And Amrish Maharaj, how
अपने शरीर स्पर्श और संगम के अंग स्पर्शन से और कृष्णदास जी की शरीर स्पर्शदाई सेवा आदि करते अर्थात भक्तों की सेवा हाथ भगवान किस लिए दिया
So Bhagwan is giving us hand. So why he is giving us hand? For serving to the feet of the bhakta.
महात्मा दिखाई
So Amrish Maharaj shows the topmost importance of serving. Even Raghunath Das Goswami,
सेवा करने के लिए लड़ाई
so he was Raghunath Das Goswami. He is so much eager to serve the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani. Tadabda Statvinada Karasarvya. So Rup Manjari is massaging the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani, and for getting the same service under the guidance of Rup Manjari, Raghunath Das Goswami is so much eager to serve Radhaji under the guidance of Rup Manjari. Eager. It's lalait. It's not lalait, it's lalait. He's so much eager. Bhakta pada jhuri aur bhakta pada bhakta shesh sadhe rabal. So these three services so much important. Bhakta pada dhuli, the dust of the feet of the devotees. We should take on our hand. Who is the topmost devotee? Radhaji. So if you compare all the devotees, so who is the topmost devotee? Srimati Radhika. We should get the dust of the feet of Srimati Radhika Rani. Even Krishna is so much eager. Even getting the dust of the Radha Rani's feet, Krishna became himself sick. Krishna was suffering that time. He was suffering from fever. So this is the Dwarika Leela. When Narad Rishi, he sent to Narad Rishi, just take the dust of the feet of the Ramnis. So all the Mahishas in the Dwarikapuri, they said that no, we cannot give our feet dust to the Krishna. And if we give the dust to our feet, so we will go to hell. So Narad Rishi came to the Braj. So when he came into the Braj, so he said just one thing, that if Krishna, he said that Krishna is suffering from fever and suffering from high fever. So if you give the lotus feet dust of the lotus feet, so he will be Jai Ho. Bhaktivedanta Srila Madhav Maharaj Ji ki Jai. So if you give the of yours, so the fever will be all right.
ये नहीं, हम लोग के जितने चरण धुले लेकर जाओ।
So the Radha and other gopis said that not only one, you collect all the dust from all our feet and take it to give to Krishna.
धूली लेकर के
So if we go to hell, so there is no worry, but Krishna, he should be all right. So Narad Rishi, he was so much fortunate because in this way he got the dust, feet of the dust of Braj gopis,
और ब्रह्म के कृष्ण के सिर पर तुरंत लगा।
and he put it some little bit dust on the head of Krishna.
बिल्कुल, आज हम लोग ये गोपी चंदन जो लगाते
So today we are putting the gopi chandan on our forehead. What is that? Actually, it is the dust of the gopis' feet, rather than other gopis.
हैं, रज का।
This is called the Charna Raj.
कुंड की तिलक भी करते हैं।
So we are not putting the tilak of Radha Kund.
आज तक भी जाए द्वारका में ये जहाँ पर
So if you go to the Dwarika,
भगवान कृष्ण ने
there is a place where Radha Rishi, he collected the dust of the feet of the gopis.
सरोवर कुआं बन गया, गोपी तालाब बन गया।
So that is called the Gopi Talab.
उसी गोपी तालाब से ही
So we used to collect that Gopi Chandan from the Gopi Talab, and now we are putting on our hand. So this is, we are very fortunate that we are.
उनकी महिमा से
So this is the glory of the feet of the dust of the feet of the devotees.
इसलिए कहते हैं
So that's why it is said, Amrish Maharaj, what he was doing,
भक्तों की दत्त स्पर्श अंग संग घ्राणंत पाद स्वरूप सुगंधि भगवान की चरण कमल में अर्पित तुलसी की सुगंध मकरंद जो है आस्वादन करते हैं।
so he was taking the
तुलसी का स्नान कदापि
fragrance of the tulsi which is offered into the feet of Bhagwan, and he used to take the tulsi and he used to take the prasad which is offered to Bhagwan.
पादु हरे क्षेत्र प्रदान
Padu Hare Chetra Padanuvare. Amrish Maharaj,
किसमें लगाते थे?
he used to put his feet into
लीला भूमि की परिक्रमा
for Parikrama of Bhagwan's pilgrimage.
भगवान की जहाँ-जहाँ पर लीला भूमि
So wherever the Bhagwan's Leelas are there,
कौन सा है जहाँ पर परिक्रमा करना चाहिए?
Rasthali,
नवद्वीप धाम
Navdeep Dham.
नवद्वीप
So which is the topmost pilgrimage? Which is the topmost pilgrimage we should do Parikrama? Navdeep Dham.
करना चाहिए, सारे दिन कौन सा धाम परिक्रमा करना चाहिए?
Navdeep Dham.
नवद्वीप
Everybody has to perform Navdeep Dham Parikrama. Everybody has to go Navdeep Dham.
परिक्रमा के बाद
After Navdeep Dham Parikrama, then Brajmandal Parikrama, Vrindavan Parikrama.
इसलिए नवद्वीप धाम परिक्रमा
So that's why Navdeep Dham Parikrama and Vrindavan Parikrama. Actually,
है, श्री भगवान की जो लीला भूमि
this is the pastime places of Bhagwan.
ये कितने सुंदर पादु हरे क्षेत्र सर्प सिरो ऋषिकेश पदारि बंधन है, अपने सिर को जो है भगवान के जो है चरण कमल में अर्पित करते हैं।
He has surrendered his head into the feet of Bhagwan's feet. He has put it, he surrendered his head into the feet of Bhagwan.
सेवा में लगाते हैं।
So he was, all the senses, he has, putting all his desire into the service of Bhagwan. So what the Jeev has so many kinds of desires. So we should always surrender our all kinds of desire into the feet of Bhagwan.
श्री हरि की सेवा
So what is, we have to serve Shri Hari anyhow. Except Bhagwan's service, we shouldn't do anything.
अम्बरीश महाराज
That's why Amrish Maharaj in this way,
दुनिया को
he
भगवत सेवा में लगाते हैं।
he served Bhagwan with his 11 senses. So today is Ekadashi. So in general form, this is 11 senses. So on the day of Ekadashi, we should engage our all senses, 11 senses into the service of Bhagwan. So it doesn't mean that we shouldn't engage our all senses in the Bhagwan service in other day. No, we should engage every day our senses to the service of Bhagwan.
किस प्रकार भगवान की सेवा
कहते हैं एकादशी वाले दिन आते थे
कहाँ से आते थे? वृंदावन से और नंदगांव बरसा में कहाँ से था?
ये वो अमरीश टीला जो है वहाँ पे जो
वहाँ पर निवास में किला बने राजा है
So Amrish Tila, he was staying there.
वो स्थान है।
Amrish Tila is the place.
अम्बरीश महाराज जो है ये धाम छोड़ के कहाँ गए?
So Amrish Maharaj cannot go anywhere to leave the
आ
dham.
सकते
He was the worshipper of Radhaji.
राधे कृष्ण
He used to stay in Mathura, but he was not the worshipper or devotee of Mathuradi's Krishna. someone is staying in the Mathura, it doesn't mean that he is a devotee of Mathuradish Krishna. Amrish Maharaj was the devotee of Radhaji. He was the serving Yugal Maharaj. And Amrish Maharaj is not sadhak, he is siddha. But just he was giving the lesson like a sadhak. He is the Nitya Siddha Parikar. So many people used to say there is no need to follow the Ekadashi. We are the Siddha. And some people used to say why we are following the Vidhi Marg? No, we shouldn't follow the Vidhi Marg. Some people used to say like this. But Amrish Maharaj, he was a Nitya Parikar of Bhagwan, but still he was giving us lesson that how he was following the Ekadashi. Just like we used to go Mathura, where Nanda Maharaj, he used to take rest at that night. At that time, किसको नंद महाराज को? There is a Tila in Mathura. So there is a Mahavidya temple. So there Amrish Maharaj, at the time of night, he was taking rest. And once python came and swelled, Nanda Maharaj was taking rest. Nanda Maharaj was taking rest there. And one python came and swelled. So everybody was crying or weeping because the python has swallowed him so much. So when Krishna touches his feet on the python, so he left Nanda Maharaj and he took a beautiful form and he did the parikrama of Krishna and went away. So in this way it is proved
क्योंकि बहुत जो जिसके लिए पता है जिधर ही उनसे कह जाए वो लोग एकादशी पालन नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि वो लोग आते थे एकादशी के दिन आप ठाकुर जी के भोग क्या लगाते क्या बनाया चावल रोटी सब्जी बनाया कि नहीं सर
so people used to
कौन खाएगा टिक्कियां खाएंगे हम खाएंगे हैं अरे महाप्रसाद है.
So people used to say they are making rice, dal, chapati on the day of Ekadashi and offering to the Hari Hit Hari. So there was Gopal Bhattu Goswami disciple Hit Hari. Ekadashi follow. They are not following the Ekadashi in the sampradaya of Hari Vansh. Like they can do everything for Bhagwan. They are capable. So Bhagwan can do anything, but the sadhak has to perform or follow Ekadashi. That's why Gopal Bhattu Hit Hari. So Gopal Bhattu Goswami disciple Hit Hari, he went to one temple. So he got the prasad pan, betel nuts. So he was chewing the betel nuts. So Gopal Bhattu Goswami saw that. What are you chewing? So he said, oh, this betel nut is just a leaf. It is just a leaf, so we should take leaves. So Gopal Bhattu Goswami said that leaf, tulsi patra on Ekadashi, we shouldn't take any kinds of leaf. So he was doing argument. He was doing the argument with the Guru, and Gopal Bhattu Goswami said, oh Moorkh, oh foolish, I have quoted so many shlokas. I have told you about Hari Bhakti Vilas, that on the day of Ekadashi we shouldn't take any kinds of grain, but you are chewing the betel nuts and you are taking the grains. You are saying who will eat this? Oh Moorkh, no, we shouldn't do like this. We should always follow the Vidhi. But he was not able to understand. So that's why Gopal Bhattu Goswami he gave up. He abandoned that. So Tulsidas ji is saying, if your servant is not wise, your king is not broad, or Tulsidas is writing very nicely.
दिया रामचंद्र मानस में। स्वयं रामचंद्र
So in the Ramchandra Ramchandra is saying,
सेवक सठन निपक विपन कुनारी कपटी मित्र सुर समुचार है? सेवक जो बुद्धिमान बुद्धिहीन हो
if your servant is not wise,
है, तो आपके कष्ट
so he will suffer you, so he is useless. If your king is
राजा की तरह
miser, so you cannot get the peace by that
और एक पैसा भी
king.
जनहित के लिए
So he will take the taxes, but he will not pay anything for the welfare of the society. So the king always will ask you for the test, but he will not give you anything.
जनहित का कार्य नहीं करते, वो दुखदायक है।
So this is suffering. Well,
इसलिए कहें
so that's why it is saying, if the lady is not chaste,
छोटा हो
or in Hindi it is said kulta,
तो उसके तरह आपके
unchaste lady, so you cannot get pleasure by her.
जी कपटी हो
And if your friend is kapti, means he is cheater, so you cannot get benefit by that friend.
सेवक का सठन
क्या हो?
कुनारी और कपटी मित्र सुर समुचारी है? एक चीज बताओ। तो उसी प्रकार
So in this way,
यहाँ पर जो कहे सेवक कहने की तो कहा रहा क्या?
sevak means
किससे भी मना
sevak means disciples. If the disciple is not sad,
नहीं करे
he is not following the order of the guru, so he will suffer. He will suffer you. Safal Gurudev. That's why Gopal Bhatt Goswami said,
अरे मूर्ख
"Oh Murk, today is Ekadashi Tithi, and on the Ekadashi Tithi, I have wrote, we shouldn't.
स्वस्थ हो
If your health is okay, so you should perform Nirjala Ekadashi. You shouldn't take water.
कुछ लोग कहते हैं हम पानी नहीं पिएंगे दूध पी लेंगे
Some people used to say we are not taking water. We will take juice. We will take milk.
बोले नहीं
No, nothing you have to take.
शब्द के अर्थ होता
Nirjala means
है लेकर के सब कुछ
so nothing you have to eat. Nirjala without anything. You shouldn't eat anything on Nirjala day.
शास्त्र में इसलिए लिखा है।
So
और शरीर यदि ठीक नहीं
if your health is not okay, so you can take falahar.
जो ठाकुर जी के भोग लगे वही फल
So whatever we have offered to Thakurji, take that. So if you are taking little bit water, so there is no fault.
किंतु ये गुरुदेव के बात नहीं माना तर्क करने लगे
But he was not,
कुछ होता है
following the order of Guru. Some people are like they are not following the orders of Guru.
इसलिए गोपाल भट्ट को
So that's why Gopal Bhatt Goswami given the lesson to the words, I don't need this kinds of disciples. So he abandoned that disciple. Gopal Bhatt Goswami abandoned who?
अपना एक पंथा शुरू कर दिया
Hithari. And Hithari started
दूसरी एक
Sampradaya.
इसमें बहुत
So
लोग
Hithari started his own Sampradaya. I have seen many people are going there
क्योंकि
also.
वहाँ पर जाके ना वो सब रस कथा बोलते हैं
So if you will go there, so they always speak Ras Katha.
ये जो है क्या कहते हैं इसको
प्रेम.
ठाकुर जी क्या सेवा करते हैं बिल्कुल हमारे रूप सनातन गोड़ी मठ की जो उत्तर में किसी के उत्तर में रहता है हरिवंश हरिवंश से क्या
Radha Vallabh.
है? इतना सुंदर सुंदर प्यारे प्यारे कथा सुनाई
So they will tell you so is beautiful katha, only Radha Krishna meeting Leela, no Vira Leela, no separation mode.
विराम की कथा सुनाई
They will speak very beautiful meeting Leelas there.
इतना सुंदर कथा सुनाते हैं बहुत भीड़ जमता है इधर आज एकादशी के दिन ना
So on the day of Ekadashi,
तो क्या कर देखना
if you go there,
इतना भीड़ जमता है
there is so much crowd there.
यही करते हो क्योंकि ये कहते हैं छल धर्म कपट धर्म होता है
But this is called the cheating dharma.
पृथ्वी पे जब कथा धर्म नामे चले भागवत कहे तार परिपूर्ण छवि है ये पृथ्वी में अनेकों जो कथा जो है ये छल धर्म है
So
कपट धर्म है
on the earth there are many kinds of katha. They are just cheating with the peoples. This is not the Shuddha Bhakti. This is not the pure Bhakti. So that's why it is mentioned in the Ekadashi. On the Ekadashi we shouldn't. That's why it is mentioned on the scriptures that we shouldn't take any kinds of grain on the day of Ekadashi.
भी नहीं चाहिए
And we shouldn't take grains, and we shouldn't give the grains to anybody.
पुराना भी नहीं चाहिए
We shouldn't. So we shouldn't invite anybody for
कोई मानो ब्रह्मचारी मैं 3 साल बिल्डिंग में जाकर
Grains.
जब घंटा पड़ेगा तो भजन करने के लिए जाऊंगा एकादशी के दिन इसलिए गुरुदेव का दे दी।
So Gurudev used to say.
एकादशी
So Gurudev used to say on the day of Ekadashi, do not play the ghanta, do not play the bell for falahar.
एकादशी के दिन वो यदि भोजन नहीं किया तो अच्छा ही है।
So if somebody doesn't take any kinds of falahar, so it is good to him.
आज में यही है वास्तव में। किंतु ये सब संप्रदाय क्या है? असत संप्रदाय माना।
So these all are the asat sampradaya. These all are not the proper sampradaya. If somebody is speaking so much big kathas, so they can be Mahabhagavat. No, that's not right. Actually, if you are not following the order of the scriptures, so they are apasampradaya. So somebody used to come and say, oh Maharaj, they used to speak so beautiful, nice Harikatha. They are crying from the eyes. The tears is coming out from the eyes. So these all are the cheating dharma. These all are the cheating or dharma. So they are looted the people. So in this Kali Yuga, if you mix so much mirchi masala, if you put so much spices into the vegetable, so people will relish that so much. Oh, this is beautiful. But it is not true actually. This is the chal dharma. This is a cheating propensity. This is cheating dharma. So that's why Gopal Bhattu Goswami has given up this disciple, Hit Hari. Because
ये सब क्या है? सुन समाचार, सुन समझते कि नहीं? सुन क्या है? पेट में जो अल्सर, गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर हो जाते हैं ना?
if somebody is suffering from the ulcer or gastric,
उसे पेट में हर्ष में दर्द रहा है।
so he always feels pain in his stomach.
कैसे होता है?
Sometimes very high, sometimes very low, but 24 hours he feels the pain in his stomach.
तो उसी में
So in this way Tulsidas saying, I'm not saying, Tulsidas is saying in this way.
इसमें पूर्ण के जाओ इस भक्त।
So that's why Gopal Bhattu Goswami abandoned his disciple Hithari. So when he given up his guru, he created his own sampradaya.
तो अपने कहीं न कहीं ये
So this is Kali Yuga.
जैसे कलागंधी संप्रदाय।
Just like
जानते कि नहीं?
maybe you are aware about which sampradaya?
नहीं जानते। जैसे महाप्रभु जब दक्षिण
When Mahaprabhu was in the
भ्रमण कर रहे थे,
south, visiting with the South India,
एक सेवक था।
so there was a
उसके नाम
disciple with Mahaprabhu.
था काला कृष्ण।
His name was Kala Krishna Das.
और वे भट्टशाली के दम में चले गए। भट्टा में जो बंजार लोग होते हैं ना,
So there was
उस दिन
some-
एक काम में रहते चले जाते हैं।
So there was some people, some barren people who used to stay for few days for one place and then they leave that places.
और मैं बोले महाप्रभु ने भगवत्ता को ईश्वर जी ने प्रकाश दिया। महाप्रभु ने
Mahaprabhu,
ऐसे प्रकाश कर दिया, देखो,
he
वो सारे
presented his
लोग
opulences there actually.
महाप्रभु को मारने के लिए तैयार हुए। और महाप्रभु उस समय क्या लीला प्रकाश की है? सभी लोग देख रहे हैं, महाप्रभु की कीर्तन देख रहे हैं और एक दूसरे के साथ अपने आप मारपीट करने लगे। सब इसको देख रहे ये महाप्रभु है, महाप्रभु, और एक दूसरे को देख करने लगे। समझ गए ना? जैसे भगवान रामचंद्र,
Just like Lord Ramchandra,
भगवान छोड़ दिया तो एक दूसरे अपने आपस में।
so what happened at the time? Just like for killing the Khardushan, all the armies of Khardushan, they were fighting in each other. In the same way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he established this leela.
क्या करने लगे?
That all the Banjaras, all the peoples, they fighting with each other. And Mahaprabhu catch the shikha of his disciple. What is his name? Kala Krishna Das. He catch the choti or shikha of the Kala Krishna Das and he made one sampradaya. So he made one sampradaya, Kala Krishna Sampradaya. So there are many kinds of Apat sampradayas are coming here and there from. Many kinds of duracharis are there, bad peoples are there. Maybe you are not getting this point. So Gurudev is telling here that one Mahaprabhu disciple Kalachandra Das, so he was so much attracted towards the barren, Banjaris people who the peoples who are staying one place for few days and another place to few days. So in this way he was attracted toward them. So Mahaprabhu was showing him that this is bad. These are bad people. So I will discuss later this katha.
कहने लगे, स्मार्ट ब्राह्मण कहने लगे, ये हम यहाँ पर यदि एकादशी करते हैं, हम एकादशी के दिन जगन्नाथ जी के प्रसाद चावल दाल बिक्री नहीं होगा, भेजे कोई
So in the Jagannath temples, Pandas of Jagannath, they used to say
वो लोग एक प्रवाद कर दिया, बोले जगन्नाथपुरी में
एकादशी।
एकादशी का हम क्या कर दिया, उलट करके हम बांध दिया।
so on they have Panda. So the Panda of the Jagannath temple, they have hang the Ekadashi in a opposite form. So in the Jagannath Puri there is no use to follow Ekadashi. So there is a katha in the Chaitanya Charitamrita also. Bring the bottle of water. It is ready. So this is the rule that if you are going to the pilgrimage, so first you have to take the prasad from that places. So if you are going to the pilgrimage, so first you have to take the prasad after doing the all kinds of Istavistuti. So you should take the prasad in the tirth. So he recited this shilok. He will recite this shilok, the smart Brahman. So if you are coming to the Jagannath Puri, so there is no need to follow or observe Ekadashi, and they will recite you many shilokas. So they will tell you the importance of Jagannath Prasad. Once you see the Prasad of Ekadashi Prasad, you should give them. So if Jagannath Prasad is taken by the dog and it is fall down from the mouth of the dog, so you should take that. Even you have chanted Gayatri Mantra or not, you should take the Jagannath Prasad. So this is the importance of the Jagannath Prasad. Once you get, just eat it anyhow in any condition. So that's why Panda used to tell this katha. And when Bhakt Log came to him, said to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, "Oh Prabhu, this Panda is saying like this." Mahaprabhu said, "Okay, no, will we check it later." So on the day of Ekadashi, the same Panda, they carried the Jagannath Prasad and presented before to Mahaprabhu. So Mahaprabhu was sitting with the devotees, and when Mahaprabhu see the Mahaprasad, he was started crying. So he used to say Fela, the remnants of the Jagannath, they used to say Fela. And Mahaprabhu started crying. And Mahaprabhu reciting so many shlokas and he started crying. He was crying, Venu Gita, many shlokas. Then Mahaprabhu said, "Okay, Mahaprasad has come, Jagannath Prasad has come, we will distribute to everybody." So Panda was sitting there, and what Mahaprabhu said? Jagannath Prasad himself, Jagannath. So first we will do the Istavistuti of Jagannath, just like we are taking the Mahaprasad and we are, saying Mahaprasade Govinde Nam Brahmani Vaishnave. So we are praying to the Prasad. So Mahaprabhu did the Istavistuti of Mahaprasad. Then Mahaprabhu said, "Mahaprasad has come. Now what we will do? We will do the Parikrama. Hari Harai Namah, Krishna Yadavai Namah, Yadavai Madha Keshava Namah, Gopal Govinda Ram Shri Madhusudan." So in this way, with all the devotees, Mahaprabhu with the Mridang and Karital, he did the Parikrama. Whole night they did Parikrama. So because this is Mahaprasad, he is himself Jagannath. So when Arunodaya came, the sun was started rising. So Mahaprabhu said, "When we are going to take the shower or bath into the sea, after coming where the sun rises, and they all take the paran with the prasad, Mahaprasad. They chanted the Gayatri Mantra. After chanting the Gayatri Mantra, they all took. So everybody has did the paran with the Jagannath Prasad. So there is a paran time is mentioned. So today, if you are observing Ekadashi, so you have to know the paran time. So you have followed the Ekadashi very nicely, and if you did the paran on the right time, so you will not get the benefit of the Ekadashi. On the board it is mentioned that every temple wherever you go, so it is mentioned the time of the paran time of Ekadashi. So after sunrise, between this time you have to take the paran. Panjika. All the devotees, they have the Panjika. Everybody has to keep Panjika in his house. We used to distribute it free of cost. Everyone has to keep the Panjika in their houses. So what is the means of paran? So break the fast. whatever the fast we have did, so we have to break at the right time. So many people are doing the Ekadashi, but they are not giving importance to Paran. So that's why Amrish or Durvasa's Katha is depend on this Paran actually. Nothing. Ekadashi Katha. What is Paran? So the battle between Durvasa Rishi or Amrish Rishi Durvasa. So we are saying this kinds of Mahima, this kinds of. So this is only because of Paran. So many people are telling this Katha, but they are not following this. So you should always follow the Paran time. So Mahaprabhu given the lesson to the world. So Mahaprabhu, when he saw that now sun is rising, which is the time of Paran, everybody has to chant the Gayatri Mantra, and between these times everybody has to take the Mahaprasad, and with that Mahaprasad break the fast. So it doesn't mean that you have gone to Jagannath Puri, you will go to Anand Market and you will take so much prasad. No, this is not. On the day of Ekadashi, wherever you are, in England, America, Africa, wherever you are, you shouldn't take. You should observe Ekadashi, and according to the time you should do Paran. So this is the best way is to everybody has to keep the Jagannath rice in their home. So whenever the Paran times come, so just take 2 rice and do the Paran. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari. Give the mic to the Maharaj Ji. Hare Krishna.